We're in the Painted Tree community in McKinney, Texas. This available Bloomfield home is in the construction phase. It'll be completed in June. It has 4 beds, 4 bathrooms, and 2-car garage. Let's take a look inside. As we enter in, the focal point flows out to the backyard with these beautiful windows bringing in natural light. The fireplace has tile all the way up to the ceiling. Windows above, casting natural light over to your upstairs hallway. You can see the floor is being protected while they're finishing up. Over here you can see a strip of what it looks like. Quartz countertop has the lip for your legs as you sit on stools. Over on this side, you have your trash pullout on the left of the single basin sink, with the dishwasher spot on the right. Opposite of that, they'll install an updraft and your stove, and there will be a drawer below. Over here is your microwave and oven with the fridge next to it, flowing into the butler's pantry with the same quartz countertop, which wraps around to your front dining space. Plenty of natural light coming in, which is right off of the entryway. On the opposite side off the entryway is the French doors into the office. Nice sized window and double doors into the closet. Continuing through the main area is the primary suite. As you'll see, painting in progress here. Raised ceiling detail and windows on 2 walls, letting natural light in from the backyard. And over here, you also have a nice sitting area to where you can read a book with natural light from the backyard. Flowing into the primary bathroom through double doors. Large soaking tub, tile work in progress. This will be a step-in shower with glass surrounding, tile all the way up to the ceiling. And here's the primary walk-in closet. On this side is the toilet room and dual sinks. The glass mirrors will be installed. Let's continue down the hall. In here is the understairs storage. Have the full hall bath with a step-in shower. Glass will be installed, tile all the way up. Next to that, you have the next bedroom. Double doors into the closet. Then at the end of the hall, it's a laundry room with a mud space. You can put your vacuum cleaner, brooms, multiple stuff can be stored here. Right off of your 2-car garage. Let's go back inside. Going up the stairs, you have carpeted stairs, nice wood banister with iron detail. The landing flows into your game room. Windows, curved ceiling. Flowing into your media room. Pre-installed wiring for surround sound. The wire is terminating here. Around the corner, you have your hall full bath with a curved ceiling. The mirror will be installed soon. Right next to that is the next upstairs bedroom. Window, curved ceiling, into a walk-in closet. Continuing down the hall, you have your banister looking over the main living space with 2 hall linen closets leading into your hall bath with a nice window letting in natural light into your shower space. The mirror will be installed soon. Right next to that is the next upstairs bedroom, curved ceilings, window, and a walk-in closet with windows. Let's head outside. As we go down the stairs, you can see how the natural light casts across to your upstairs balcony. Right next to the kitchen is your dining space. Windows surrounding, letting in natural light as you're eating through the day. And right here is another window seat where you can read with natural light coming in. We have the covered patio space with a gas line to hook up your grill. Space for your patio furniture to hang out and enjoy the nice evenings. Plenty of space to plant some trees. If this home and community interests you, reach out and let's make your dream home a reality. This is another Bloomfield house that has the same Seaberry II floor plan. This one is currently being constructed and coming soon as well. Reach out and let's get you in the one that fits you.